Wow, Misha, did New Year's Eve were you out too?
Don't even ask. I need to lose some weight.
All those Christmas visits, the sweets. It's really intense.
No, we're not in that bad of a shape. We want to stay fit, right? So let's get to it.
Exactly. And most importantly, let's detox with cannabis. Alright then. Shall we go for a run?
I haven't run in 2 weeks, but we can give it a try.
So we'll go for a run and then we'll talk a bit about hemp protein, which we definitely recommend to everyone, whether you're an athlete or just want to detox after the new year, because we've got it here with us.
And drink it now.
No, drink it afterwards. Drink it afterwards.
Alright, do I have something that I can actually drink beforehand?
So before, if you're really an athlete, you can have some carbs in the form of a gainer. So we've got it here with us, this one, exactly. But if you want to effectively replenish your protein after working out, about an hour after exercise, I take the protein, which we have either in organic or in flavors like coconut pineapple and cocoa banana. But come on, Misha, let's go running already.
She's on it now!
Let's do this. So, it's tough.
It is.
But let's talk a bit about hemp proteins, because that's why we're here. I could probably shout for you later to make you a good hemp protein.
That would be nice.
So I'd show you a recipe for how you can prepare it well. Hemp protein is great because, as I already mentioned, it contains a huge amount of protein. It can actually replace practically one meal a day for you. And these are proteins that aren't just for athletes, older people can easily use them too.
And what, non-athletes?
But I do work out, I do exercise. We actually mentioned detox with hemp. Misha, can you describe the detox process that happens when we decide to use hemp?
So with detox, it's really about the fact that because we consume a lot of processed foods, various fast foods, and we don't always take care of ourselves the way we should or would like to, our bodies end up in an acidic state, or we simply have an acidic environment in our bodies. And that's obviously not good. Then various inflammations, diseases, and similar issues can arise. So we need to move from this acidic state to an alkaline one. And that's precisely and exactly where the remarkable hemp protein gainer truly helps. Because thanks to the undeniable fact that it contains all 23 essential and non-essential amino acids, including all 8 absolutely crucial essential ones, and also possesses a significantly high fiber content, it effectively works within our entire body to meticulously create a beneficial alkaline environment. And that's precisely and exactly what we all genuinely need and truly want when we thoughtfully decide to embark on a comprehensive detox journey like this one.
And we definitely recommend adding hemp seeds, hemp oil, or even CBD oil to your diet, for example, for some regeneration.
Exactly.
So, we came back from a run, which wasn't supposed to be too strenuous because we just don't have the fitness for it. And about an hour after exercising, we can have one of those protein shakes we talked about earlier. My favorite is organic hemp protein, so today I'd like to show you how I personally use this kind of hemp protein. So, what do I need? I need protein, of course. Ideally, the one from Zelena Zemlje. Then I need a banana. And a blender, definitely. And some milk. I like Alpro milk the most. I usually have it at home in about 3 different flavors. And today we'll probably go with the soy one. It gives it a nice flavor. And really you can put anything in it. You don't have to use just banana. Of course, you can also add the protein to yogurt or put it in porridge. Actually, Dushan Pala, who is an MMA coach, puts peaches in it and sometimes even strawberries. My colleague puts banana in hers, so the choice of fruit is entirely up to you. The protein itself doesn't really have much flavor. It just tastes hempy. So you add the flavors you want, for example, to make the protein taste better. And then we'll just mix it up here like this. I also have a great automatic mixer, but you can do it with a hand blender though. Usually use the hand blender at festivals. Let's turn it on. And once we blended it, there are no chunks left. The protein then looks beautifully green like this. So let's pour it into glasses. Alright, I'll pour the first glass here. It makes such a beautiful foam. And by the way, this protein can actually fill you up. Really, instead of a snack, if you have this hemp protein, it gives your body the necessary proteins, and you won't even feel the need to eat anything else because it will truly be enough for you. Cheers. I hope, Misha, that you like what I've just mixed up for you. Cheers.
Cheers.